Alright, this is the over and under 2-slot sander configuration. There's quite a few of them, organ blade maker. And I can't think of anything else at the moment. Of course, there is the Northridge grinder in a box. There's some on eBay that are using this. So you put your platen in, your contact wheel in this top one, your slide mount was in the bottom one. Inch-and-a-half square tube inside of a 2-inch square tube. Center this on the platen. I'm just doing a visual at the moment for this demonstration. This mount is a double swivel. If you don't have a swivel platen, then this would be what you would use to set your angle for your bevel. Swivels more than you'll need. Also has a side-to-side swivel. If you already have a swivel platen, then this comes with just a flat mount plate. Alright, so there's no marks on there from the clamps. Doesn't cause any damage. You can see the clamp. It's cut out right there. So when you tighten this, it will close that, snug up. These handles can use it in any position. If you get it up against a spot and you can't rotate, you can just pull it and it relocates itself. Slides are smooth, don't have the slop in them. That's all the slop you're getting when it's loose. As soon as you tighten it up, it centers itself. Doesn't leave any scars or damages on the thing. Now the only movement we're getting now is out of this, which is the sander, the simulated sander, and it's not tightened right now, so if you were to tighten your sander up, these wouldn't budge. And I square these with a jig when I make them, so that they're flat, and when they line up, they'll be square. So you can see that they're square. Very square when you get set up. Pull this out. This will come off. Contact wheel goes on. Alright, so then you're ready to go. That's just an eyeball set up for the contact wheel. I usually set so that this little spacer plate right here, the stainless steel plate, is at the center line of that bolt. That's where I run. And you can set it higher if you like. These faces in here, on these two angles, and this angle have 4/1000 thick hardened stainless steel shim material bonded to them. Those are replaceable. If they start to wear, you can peel those off and then bond some new ones on with double back tape. I use a industrial adhesive contact cement on there, but if you heat it up, you can take it off, or if you get a razor blade on the edge, you can peel it off pretty easily, and then use like a toluene to remove any remaining adhesive before you put on a new set of those. And then these things here, this is where your carrier or your blank would actually ride. It's stainless steel. When it sticks through, would ride on it inside here. So those can be changed as well. They're not very expensive. They can be shipped in an envelope. This is a grade 8 bolt, or grade 8 threads. These are grade 8 washers back here to give good wear resistance. It's all lubricated inside, pre-lubricated when it goes out. This is a rivet nut that's pressed onto here so you don't get any slippage of any kind. Very positive. Just any movement of that, and it travels, or in it, so you can adjust the run out here with your collar. Very smooth. Makes a huge difference over the no weld sander that I had going before. So there's at least 4 sanders that I know of that use this configuration. There's probably more, some no-name kind of generic ones that use it.